and welcome to Scope. Today we're hopping and slithering our way into an episode all about reptiles and amphibians. So let's start by delving into dragons.
Ever heard of evolution? It's about how animals change over time. But can we see evolution in action? Could we see one animal become two? Hi, my name's Caroline. Let me introduce you to some lizard friends who are helping me study evolution in action. These are a native species called tawny dragons. They can be found in a range of habitats in South Australia. Part of my research involves catching them in the wild. And here in my lab at the School of Biosciences in the University of Melbourne, I'm studying the various colors found on the lizards' bodies. There are two main places the lizards are colored, on their backs and on their throats. Now here's an interesting question. Why the two different colored areas? It seems that the coloration on the tawny dragon's back is very similar to the lichen that grows on the rocks where they live. It makes it harder for them to be spotted by predators, such as birds. The underside of their chins are also brightly colored, allowing them to stand out from their surroundings. Our research examines that bright underside of their chin, which may be useful for communicating with other lizards. This is important to us, as they could be signaling to other lizards to mate or defend their territory. So why am I interested in this? Well, I might be watching evolution happen right in front of me. Tawny dragons are found in a range of areas in South Australia, up here in the Flinders Ranges to down here in Kangaroo Island. The changing landscape splits them into groups. The environment for each group becomes vastly different, with different plants and rocks to hide in. Mapping evolutionary change is complex. I have a lot of different tools to use. I can examine the DNA of lizards looking for particular differences. I record their sizes and measure their coloration. It means that these two groups are slowly changing over time, which we can see through the changing colors on their body. It may be eventually that the two groups will become so different that they won't even be able to mate. They will become completely different lizards.